HadinEEon Electric Kettle 1.7L Glass Electric Tea Kettle, BPA free, cordless teapot, portable electric hot water kettle with auto shut-off protection, stainless steel lid and bottom. Food-grade material. The electric kettle is made with glass, while the inner lid and base are made of food-grade 304 stainless steel. All the water contact surfaces are constructed of food-grade material and heat-resistant. Heat up quickly and quietly. It will be a big help in quickly boiling or heating water for cooking such as pasta or polenta. Especially in the morning, it heats so fast and enables you to make hot cereals very quickly as well as hot chocolate, etc. Which saves you from being late on most days. Only takes 6 minutes to boil 1.5L water. No more long time waiting. Shuts off automatically with boil dry protection. The cordless glass electric kettle provides peace of mind through thoughtful details like an auto shut-off safety feature to provide thermal shock protection. The 360-degree swivel base lets you remove the illuminating cordless kettle for easy pouring, and then it can be replaced at any angle. High-quality, scratch-resistant borosilicate glass design beautifully crafted from heat-resistant glass with the blue light around the rim. It's both stylish and functional. It provides a visual delight while boiling water as it heats up. Featuring aesthetics as well as durability and ease of use, it's the perfect addition to your kitchen. Furthermore, it gives you a good view to see inside so that you can clean it thoroughly. HadinEEon excellent customer service. HadinEEon continues to inspire everyone from professional cooks to the at-home chef with innovative technology from a trusted brand. What's more, you get a 3-year and 1-year money back for your investment. Please feel free to contact us if you have any request. We will solve your problem within 24 hours. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.